Hello and welcome to another Scooter Rear Car Parts video. Today we're having a look at our customer's G63, and that's the new shape, and the build is almost complete, but we couldn't wait to show it off to you guys. It's still waiting for two parts. First part is the roof rack sort of light bar up the front, and then the second bit that we're waiting for is the carbon rear wheel cover. So those will be with us in the next few days. We'll get them installed and then the customer's build is officially done. So if we start from the back, first thing you'll notice is that the customer's got these lovely Monoblock Y wheels installed. Following that, we've then got the Brabus rear spoiler, which looks stunning. Eventually the Brabus tailgate lettering will go on as well. Next, the customer has installed, and this is a difficult one to see, a full Brabus exhaust system. I say full, it's cat back. And that sounds amazing. That's a valved exhaust and it's absolutely lovely. The other thing you'll notice is it's got the Widestar kit, and that's the most crucial thing. So that's the flared arches on the sides, and then the slightly more aggressive front bumper. So moving to the front bumper, you'll also notice that here we've got the Brabus badging, and then if we have a look under the bonnet, you'll notice that. Now this customer has opted for the Brabus 700 horsepower package. That is a plug-in unit, so there's no need to modify any mechanics. It's actually a plug-in unit and the car goes up to 700 brake, which is amazing. On the actual bonnet itself, you'll notice that we've installed this carbon power dome is what they call it, so that's really nice. Comes with the Brabus badge up here. The other thing to mention is this is actually illuminated, this badge, so this will light up when the car is on. Going round, we've also installed a couple of OEM Mercedes parts for this customer. We've done the carbon steering wheel, which looks absolutely lovely. And then we've also installed some other interior carbon elements, including that there. There are a host of other upgrades that we could do to the car, including the 800 power kit, which we would need to send the turbochargers to Brabus in Germany to be updated. But yeah, the customer is going to be absolutely over the moon, nearly done. As mentioned, the only other thing that we've got to install is the roof rack that goes in place there. But it looks absolutely stunning. We're really proud of how it's come out. We think actually the combination of the Brabus badging and the AMG badging looks absolutely lovely. And we'll send some pictures or post some pictures once the build is completely complete. Thanks for watching.